Hello. Now task 19L. Open the presentation that you saved in a task 19K. Add below the bulleted list on slide 4 a table like as given below. The table is given as below. You have to draw and you have to save the presentation in task 19L. So simply you have to design a table like this. Okay, so number of students will be the heading for the table, and easy to use 103, difficult 12, and no response is a 5. As we have created a pie chart using these values, we have to the same values we have to write in a table. Okay, so we will open here 19K, task number 19K. Okay, so this is our PowerPoint presentation, and in this PowerPoint presentation having task 19K, here I am going to select the fourth slide. In the fourth slide we can see the easy of use and the two bulleted list items. On the right hand side we can see a pie chart. Okay, now we have to draw a table and we have to place it just below the bulleted list. Okay, now if you want to create a new table, if you want to insert a new table in PowerPoint slide, then insert in the insert option. Here is the insert option, and here you can see a table. Okay, now here we want actually 4 rows, because the first row goes for the heading and other 3 rows for the values. Okay, so we are going to select or going to create a table having 4 rows. Okay, I clicked over here, so the table with the 4 rows are created over here. Now the uppermost portion, the topmost filled element, that is a filled row, we want to merge it in a single cell. Okay, so I select first this. I selected the first cell, first 2 cells in a first row, and I'm going to merge them. Okay, first of all let me select it. I have selected these cells, 2 cells. I right click on the selected cell. Just a minute. This is selection. Right click. Okay, something gone wrong. Okay, I have selected these 2 cells and click on a merge cell. So when you click on a merge cell, these 2 cells are converted into the single one. Here we have to write a text, that is a student information. Students information. And this must be aligned at the center. So I click here and I'm going to align it at the center by using this option. So in a home menu we are getting this alignment options. So by aligning in the center, it can display like this. Okay, now here we are feeding the information. In the information, first of all we have to write easy to use, then difficult, and then no response. Okay, so here is a easy to use. It's 103 in a second column. Here is difficult, and it's 12, and here is no response. In the third row we have to write no response, and it's giving the value 5. Now we'll arrange the table so it can properly fit. Okay, now this table I want to fit over here. Okay, now this table is displayed with the gray color and bluish color shade, but we want without any shade, clear table we want to display. Okay, if you want to display the clear table, then select this table first, then click on a design. Here is the design of table. Okay, in this design you will get a different table styles. Click over here and select the last option, that is a clear table. Okay, click on this clear table. You will get this type of table, that is a clear, means without any style applied to the table. You can see this table on screen. Okay, so I adjust this size. Okay, so this is the table and here we have completed this task. Now I'm going to save this task having name. What is the name? It's task 19L. So I'm going to save as is a task 19L. Okay, so this is the task 19L. Save.